my honest review about this Yummy Story hand blender. I'm gonna go over a couple of the pros, a couple of the cons to this product, just things that I think you should know before buying. To put this to the test, what I'm gonna do is just make a simple smoothie. In here I've got some ice, frozen berries, banana, and some protein powder. Let's see how it does. I am gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of water. There we go. And I am going to be using a medium to high setting on this little dial. And just to demonstrate how much this smoothie actually makes, I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer it to this cup. Perfect. To go ahead and clean the blender, all you have to do is twist it right off. Along with these stainless steel blades being a really clean and professional look, they are so easy to clean. Rinsing it off literally took me 2 seconds. All in all, I'm very happy with the product. I thought that it was super easy to assemble. I love all the different attachments that come with it. It was very quick and easy to clean, and I think that the price point is perfect. So I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. I would definitely recommend purchasing this product.